this video, we are going to be looking at the navicular drop test that I will perform on my patient. I have marked my patient's navicular already with a mark, and I'm going to now palpate just to make sure that the mark is adequate and it's at the same spot and that the pen mark is not smudged. The patient is in sitting and is in a subtalar joint neutral position, so I will feel for the heads of the taluses. And once again, they are parallel. That's just important to make sure that they are in that position. I will now measure in millimeters from the ground to the navicular with my ruler. And that is about 4.5 centimeters, so that would be 45 millimeters. And so now I will have my patient stand up, and we just do a few marches in place to make sure that you are in a weight-bearing position and that you're in a normal thing. Great. And now I will measure again from the ground up to that navicular. You can put your foot parallel here. So now we can still see is that the mark has changed, and she is at 38 millimeters. So she is within a normal range. So since she did, this would be a tested negative for the navicular drop test because there is not over 10 millimeters of difference between the two measurements. So she does not have excessive pronation.